Hello, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and I am back again with yet another revision to my winter February-March junk journal. I decided I could not handle the glue, what do you call it? It's the glue seeping through. So, and also, I didn't like how this looked here. I don't know, it just rubbed me the wrong way, and then I felt like maybe it clashed with this too much. Maybe not, but anyway, this is out, and since I don't want to buy any more fabric, this is in. I think it matches okay with that, and I think it looks okay like this. So that's what we're doing. Without further ado, I'm going to put some glue right on here and hope for the best, because if the glue seeps through, I'm still using it. And y'all know I don't enjoy seeing glue on my fabric, glue spots. So I can put glue up to here, and then I'm going to just try to spread it around. I think I need a little more over here. Okay, I've got some here I need to wipe up so it doesn't get on my fabric. Alright, now comes the hard part. It's going to be this way, so I think, can you see what I'm doing? Needs to be over a little bit more. Okay. Does it fit under there? Yes. So, I think it's looking good. I don't see any glue seeping through. But in any event, let's put some glue on here and see what happens. I don't know why I'm making so many mistakes lately. It's giving me anxiety to like start anything. Okay, so let's get this on, and we're going to do this, and if I have to add some glue I will. There. That's how that's, oh no. It's seeping through here. I'm going to have to put some ribbon on that or something. I'm not starting over. I'm not starting over. I'm not starting over. That's it. And now I'm going to glue this part down and this part up. But I can see that I'm going to need to, I'm not even going to trim it. I'm just going to fold it over. And that's how it's going to be. But first, yeah, that's going to go first. And then I have these papers for my, I think I need to trim them slightly, but these are going to be my end papers. I think I like it this way better. They're darker on the bottom. So I think I do need to trim slightly maybe. Well, maybe not. Here's the end of the book. I'm going to trim slightly, just ever so slightly. I know. I'm nervous. I don't know why. I don't get nervous making journals. I just want it to look nice, you know? I'm glad, well, maybe it did seep through on the front. I haven't checked. I haven't checked it since because it's seeping through here, even though I'm rubbing it down. Did I just, was I just lucky? Okay, so this is going to go like this. Alright. Here goes nothing. It didn't matter if it seeped through there, I guess, because it's going to be covered up, but it doesn't mean it's not going to seep through anywhere else now. We're going to do this part too, but not the creases, not here. We're not going to glue here. I am going to attempt to smooth this out a little in hopes that that will prevent some seepage. I don't know. I do not know. Alright, so that's going to be that. Oops. I don't see any seepage. Maybe just a little bit right there. Alright. So there's how that's going to look. This will take on a little bending as we get our signatures in and fill up the book. But I do want to go in with another little bead of glue here, or line of glue, just so everything is glued down good. Alright, and now let's just take another look. I don't see any seepage on the front, so I'm very happy about that. Very happy. I was thinking about putting a little bit of a thin line of ribbon or something on here. We'll see. But now I'm going to glue down my end papers. I'm going to glue this one down first because it's the ugliest side. So, I don't seem to have much to talk about today. I don't know. Bethany is coming this Sunday for the whole day. We aren't doing overnights yet, but eventually we would like to do some overnights. We want her to really get into the knowledge that, that's her home and this is our home. Which she is doing, because the other day when we took her home, she got more excited as we got closer to her house, and she said, "We're almost to my house now," and so that was nice to hear. It's so nice that she wants to go back. I was really worrying that she would fight going back and we wouldn't be able to have her come home because she wouldn't go back, but that is so not the case. She loves her new home and her new friends and her activities. She loves going shopping with her helpers too, and I couldn't get her to go shopping. It's no fun shopping with your mom when you're 25 years old, or anything over 10 is no fun shopping with your mom, really. So that's nice. And yeah, they're getting paid to help her, and she considers them her friends. But that's okay. That's okay. I think I'm going to get my... Ooh, what? I was going to get my roller. I have that new big roller now, but I don't even see it. So we'll use my little roller. It might be hanging up. I don't know what this is for. It was in the makeup thing at Dollar Tree. I'm not a big makeup person, so I don't know what it is actually for, but there is my cover so far, and I'll have to do something with that because I don't like that at all. Maybe I'll put a ribbon over that because I don't know what else I would do. Oh, still got to put something here. Alright, so I'm going to put winter in blue. I thought white maybe, but I don't think white is going to show up. So we're going to do winter. And I'm going to attempt to line it up better by using tweezers. Let's see if it works. I can't even get it off. Oops. Oh, that was helpful. Okay. I gotta get it turned around like that. W. I don't think I'm going to bother with the dot of the eye. These are so little, I don't even know if they're really going to show up. So, I... Oh! Did you see that move right at the last minute? W-I. N. T. I think it's still kind of chilly today, but we're supposed to get back up into the late 30s, upper 30s and lower 40s next week, so that's nice. Gotta poke out the center of the E. Actually, there's two centers, I think. Is there? Yep. That one doesn't want to come off. Oh, good, that one came off. The one center came off. Gotta poke this open. I don't think that one's gonna work. There. Where'd it go? Probably on my book somewhere. And I'll find it. Oh, is it there? I need my glasses to see where it might be. I think it's on the back of the E. But I think it'll look okay. There. And then R. I hope you have enjoyed my Junk Journal January posts or spreads, layouts, whatever you want to call them. It was a really nice challenge for me. And now I need letters 20 or numbers 2024, and I don't have enough in blue. So I will have to figure that one out too. The only color for numbers that I have left is black. And there's that little piece of the E that just came off my finger. Okay. So we're going to go with black. 20. I'm going to have to... I thought I was getting so many numbers, but Junk Journal January and December dailies used up a lot of my numbers. So... it's back to black, which is fine, but I think, you know, blue would have looked better. I just dropped, oh, it was stuck on my finger. But it looks okay. It looks even better when you put them on straight. Okay, I was trying to poke that thing out before I could get it off, but it didn't work. Trying to get it off with the tweezers. Alright, there, good. 2024, that seems unreal to me. Alright, so there's my winter journal for 2024. This is what I have decided to do to trim off the raw edges and glue seepage. So, and cover up the glue seepage. But this is very mesh and this is very mesh, so I'm going to just put a dab of glue on each little dot here, and I'm not sure about this yet, but we'll figure it out. Maybe I'll give that a chance to, oops, sorry. I put the first few on. I'm going to give it a chance to set, and then I'll put the rest, another batch, probably not all at once. I don't know, we'll see. We shall see. We're going to let that have a chance to dry. And then I really don't know how to do this except to just do it. Alright. I'm going to glue each edge a little bit. And glue is definitely going to come through. That's for sure. But it won't mess up too much. I hope. Yeah. So let's just go ahead and do it if we dare. Press it down without mushing it too much so it doesn't leak too much. And there we have that. That's down. I'm wondering if I should have done the top across the top here and the bottom, but there's really nothing to hold the glue on with. You know, there's nothing to put the glue on, basically. Okay, that one's done. Now I need to get brave and finish this one up. So we're going to put a dot here. Whoops, I think I need to get rid of that. This is the Dollar Tree ribbon that I cut in half. I don't know if you have it in your Dollar Tree, but it's double, like, ooh, no. It's double width, and I just cut it down through the middle. I don't remember where I left off with the glue. Maybe here. There's another glob of it. Okay. I'm trying to be ever so careful. Okay. That's sticking up a little bit. That's okay. I think I will actually put a little glue right here and just glue that down too. Okay. Wipe. So that's how the journal is looking now. Perhaps a bit much, but I'm okay with that because I covered up the glue. Okay, here we go. That's the back, and that's the front. And now we just have to figure out pages and getting them in. And I definitely want to include some buttons or some beads on the spine. I love that look. Like, this is how this one looks. I just love that look. It's really a pain in the neck to put buttons on your spine though. But that's what we're doing. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna let this dry now, and we'll be back when I've got some more stuff for you.